family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all, went into Dollar General, got up kind of early, looked at the app. Y'all, there's nothing really I could say. There's things out there. I'm going to put it that way. There is things out there, okay? There's deals. But there's no real cheap deals like we usually get. Maybe a couple. But, I mean, I just said, because I had to go to the store. I had to go out and get my papers. And, y'all, I went to where I usually get my papers at on Sundays at Family Dollar. And they was $1. Then they went up to $1.25. And they didn't even have none this morning. I was like, OMG. And then the other guy that I usually used to get him from a long time ago, he's not over. So I'm thinking that he might be sick or something. I don't know. Or he might have done retired. But no one was over in that spot. So I said, well, let me just go down here to Dollar General to get some things. And then also I had to get also some things for that my husband wanted me to pick up. So this is the deal, y'all. So let me tell y'all, it's not really cheap out of pocket, but it's up under $11. I would tell y'all the subtotal is up under 11. Now you don't have to pick up all these deals. You can pick up some of them, but I'm just letting you know what is out there. And yes, I am filming from a different place in my house, but I didn't want to go to where I usually go to back in the stock room. I didn't feel like going back there, so I was like, let me go ahead and shoot it right here so I can get this out there to you all. So the first thing is these U by Kotex pads. Y'all know we always get these. They are the U by Kotex. They are $3.65 each. But there is a $4 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching. All right, so the next thing is the Ajax. Now the Ajax, this is a 52 ounce Ajax. This is the big one. Y'all know we used to get this a little bit cheaper, but it's on sale for $3.50, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Then y'all, hey, the Scott is back. We get the $1 digital Scott is back for all of us. The Scott now is $3.35 for the 6-pack. You can also get the 12-pack, but you take the $1 off digital, which is attaching. Then the next thing is the Swallowtail. The Swallowtail, you can either get this one, which is the 39. It says 39 loads. This Swallowtail is $3.50, or you can get the other one, and I think that is 35 loads, I believe. So I said, let me go on and get the more more bang for your buck. So this is $3.50. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon, which this is, the Swallowtail is on sale. There's a $1.50 digital coupon that is attaching. And then the last thing, y'all, I forgot all about the cat food. So if y'all don't have a cat, but y'all can donate it to someone that needs these cat, I think this is food. I think it's cat food. Yeah, I think it's cat food. Well, anyway, I have a dog, so I don't have a cat. This is $1.25. There is a $1 off digital coupon that's only making this 25 cents. So, y'all, now the store that I went to, they did have some stuff, but they didn't have a whole lot of stuff. My subtotal was $10.40. And everybody's taxes is different, so let me show you my receipt. Yes, $10.40. So there is my receipt right here. There's everything. Everybody's tax is different. Then my total savings was $8.50. And there is a $5 off of 25 for next Saturday. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul deals that you can do now. If you just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.